Welcome back to Next Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the latest offering from Honda that has everyone talking, the 2025 Honda WR-V. A compact SUV that seamlessly blends practicality, performance, and modern styling, the WR-V continues to assert itself as a strong contender in its segment. Let's explore what makes the 2025 model stand out and why it could be your next ride. First impressions matter, and the WR-V doesn't disappoint. Honda has given this model a bolder and more refined design language, featuring an updated grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp creases along the body for a sporty yet elegant look. The rear is equally appealing, with redesigned taillights and a more aerodynamic profile. Coupled with new alloy wheel options, the WR-V's exterior speaks to those who value style as much as substance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels both premium and welcoming. Honda has upped its game with soft-touch materials, a well-laid-out dashboard, and improved ergonomics. The infotainment system now features a larger touchscreen with updated connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also wireless charging, USB-C ports, and a digital instrument cluster to keep you ahead of the curve. Passenger comfort remains a top priority, with ample legroom and headroom across both rows. The seats are plush and supportive, making long drives a breeze. Honda has also worked on improving cabin insulation, ensuring a quieter and more refined driving experience. Plus, the flexible seating configuration and generous cargo space make the WR-V as practical as it is comfortable. Under the hood, the 2025 WR-V comes with multiple engine options to cater to a variety of drivers. The 1.5-liter petrol engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, while the turbocharged variant offers a sportier edge for those who crave excitement. For fuel-conscious drivers, there's a hybrid option, combining efficiency with the brand's proven reliability. Depending on the trim, you can opt for a CVT or a manual transmission, both tuned for a seamless drive. The WR-V also shines in terms of safety. Honda's Sensing Suite now comes as standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. Additional safety elements such as multiple airbags, a 360-degree camera, and advanced traction control ensure peace of mind on every journey. On the road, the WR-V continues to deliver the balanced ride and handling Honda is known for. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling uneven terrain, the WR-V maintains its composure. The steering feels precise, and the suspension is tuned to soak up bumps without compromising on stability. Fuel efficiency is another area where the WR-V excels, particularly with the hybrid variant. Combined with Honda's focus on sustainability, this makes the WR-V a compelling choice for eco-conscious drivers. The 2025 Honda WR-V is more than just a compact SUV, it's a statement of versatility, innovation, and value. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and Honda's reputation for reliability, it's a vehicle that ticks all the right boxes for modern families, young professionals, and adventure seekers alike. If you're in the market for a well-rounded SUV that combines functionality with flair, the 2025 WR-V deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Next Ride Review for more in-depth looks at the latest rides hitting the streets. See you in the next one.